Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're checking out this 8-tray dehydrator, and the manufacturer did send this over to us for us to check out. Now I've already got this set up. I've had this beef in here for about 2 hours. We're going to come back here at about 6 hours and check out and see how well it did. But right now I just wanted to go over some of the functions and stuff with you. As you see, I have it set to 167, currently showing 163 degrees in there. I heard that just kick off, so it'll kick back on here in a second, and then get that back up in there. I do have a wireless probe inside there just so I could check out how everything worked. The buttons on here, they work really nice, easy. I saw some complaints about the buttons being hard to operate. I've had absolutely no issues with the buttons or anything. You also have a nice bright light in there, as you saw right there. You go. You can just turn it on. Over here you have a fancy little locking mechanism. You just unlock it. It is kind of spring loaded to ensure it stays locked up. Let's see if I can even unlock this with one hand here. Yeah, there we go. And then this door just opens up like that. And it does come with like this little mini mitt. Pretty cool, like a little silicone mitt. Open one of these up here really quick so that you can see. Oh yeah, it's starting to look really good. Like I said, we got a little bit more time to go on there, but another 6 hours or so until that's done. You are also going to obviously get the instructions. It does come with a whole bunch of different recipes down there as well. And then you have the little mats down here that you can use on the bottom of there, so whenever you're doing fruits and stuff like that, you won't have any issues. We're going to go ahead and close this back up so this can keep on cooking. Let's get that right. There we go. Boom. This handle will be off whenever you get it. Super easy to put that on. Back here is where it hooks up. Decent sized cord on this. Sometimes these are really short, but this one's a little bit longer than your average one. It is a 3-prong, so I do have it plugged back up in there, so obviously I can't show that to you, but it's going to have both of your plugs as well as a ground. Overall, I like it so far. The meat looks like it's going to be really good, so I'll be back here, like I said, in about 6 hours, which will be about 6 seconds, not even that, for you guys. And we're back just like that. All right, guys, I went ahead and adjusted the time a little bit on this. I think I'm probably going to let it do for maybe 30 minutes to an hour more. Almost grabbed that with a bare hand. That probably wouldn't be too good, even though it's not super hot. But I've actually already taken some of this out and been munching on it. It's pretty good. Look at what this looks like. Boom, right there you go. Like I said, might need to be dried out just a little bit more, but wow, let me tell you, I've already tried some. I've already cleared off the entire tray, and it's really good. Has just a little bit more moisture in there that I need to get rid of, but man, let me tell you, if you are wanting to make some beef jerky or dry out some fruits, stuff like that, dehydrate some fruits, then yeah, check this one out. Highly, highly recommend it.